Omar, can you tell us about what's going on here?
Harissa, kunafa, basbousa, balah al-sham.
Okay.
We can buy on the way back.
Okay.
This is Egyptian street.
Okay.
حتة شعبية. Food, soup, called soup. Okay.
Okay.
Clothes, food, bread, juice, everything, man, everything. Tuk-tuk, mashrua, everything you find here. It's the real Egypt.
Okay. So what do you call these rickshaws here?
Tuk-tuk. This is tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk. Okay.
This is tunaya. This is lada. Okay.
Lada.
This is juice place. Juice. Mango,
right.
fruit, everything. See?
So this is a very old city, right?
Yeah, Sayyida Aisha. Sayyida Aisha, please. Omar, guys. Omar here, okay?
Omar,
Hit me up.
Hit me up.
Yeah, see?
What do we have here? What do we have here?
Get a good view. This is food. Get a view. Look at the view here. Straight.
SubhanAllah, very beautiful city.
See, this is Sayyida Aisha.